It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We'll start by taking a look inside the front. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, a child lock button, and auto express windows. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat, and up above we've got the power sunroof. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side, we've got the audio buttons, and on the right side, we've got the cruise control buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons. Here we have our Infotainment Center. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our radio options, climate control buttons. We've also got heated front seats as well as a heated steering wheel. And this screen is also equipped with navigation. It also doubles as our backup camera. We've got our climate control buttons with air conditioning, park assist, auto stop start, eco mode, sport mode, and traction control. Here we have hill descent control, four-wheel drive, snow mode, sand mode, mud mode, and rock. Under the hood of the Grand Cherokee is the 3.6-liter V6 engine. We've got fog lights, black tow hooks, 20-inch black aluminum wheels. The side mirrors are heated, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the black button to lock or unlock the doors. At the rear, we've got the rear window wiper and washer, as well as the power lift gate. So with the push of a button, we can pop that open. The trunk is quite spacious. We've got some cargo hooks, power plug-ins, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, there are some seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got the rear fans and a 115-volt power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we can fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the side of the seat for those longer, larger items we'd like to stow away in the back. So come take a look at the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.